Everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do topic 56, that is evaluation of extension programs. Evaluation of extension programs. First of all, we should know what is evaluation in extension. Evaluation is used to determine whether an extension program has achieved its goal, whether an extension program has achieved its goal, could have been, or whether the goals could have been achieved more efficiently, or goals could have been achieved more efficiently. So here we see whether the goal of extension program is achieved or it could be achieved more efficiently. So it enables extension administrators or officers, managers, and agents to learn more helps extension officers to learn from their experiences. All stakeholders involved in extension can learn from their experiences by systematic observation and analysis. Now, what is the importance of evaluation? First of all, it helps in program improvement, helps in program accomplishment, that is helps in determining progress, provides realistic information to all stakeholders at different levels such as parliament, locals, public, etc. It helps in professional growth. Of both extension officers as well as farmers. Helps in determining short-term and long-term impact of extension. Helps in determining short-term and long-term impact of extension. Helps to locate strong and weak points of plan. Helps to locate strong and weak points of the plan. So these are some of the importance of evaluation in extension. Now, what are the different methods through which evaluation could be done? So we will now move into methods of evaluation program. Methods of evaluation program. The various methods are available here. First of all, we can do document analysis. We can do observations based on findings. We can do interviews or group interviews, whatever you can do. Group interviews. We can do surveys. We can do case studies. We can do field visits and tours. We can do documentation of farmer demonstration. Village dramas and role plays help. village dramas and role plays help. We can do evolution through maps, whether they can vegetation as per the extension, etc, etc. So from these methods we can get feedback and get to know how much our extension has worked. Now moving on, types of evolution program. Types of evolution program. First of all is according to purpose. First type is according to purpose. So it is of two types. First one is formative. It is to gather data for effective extension program. Second is summative. It means measure in results of purpose. Measure in results of the purpose. Second is according to stage. It is ongoing or outcome based. Ongoing or outcome based. Ongoing is when work is in progress. In outcome based when work is completed, after completion of work. Now moving to third type, that is according to nature of evolution. According to nature of evolution, these are casual everyday evolution, casual or everyday evolution, self-checking, do it yourself, when the extension officers do it by themselves, extension studies, scientific research, these are according to nature of evolution. So these were the types of evolution program. Hope you understand. Now moving on, what is extension program planning? Extension program planning. It is the process of determining, developing and executing program. Process of determining, developing and executing a program. Executing program. What are its principles? Analysis on past experience, present situation and future needs. Analysis based on past experience, present situation and future needs. Have clear objective. Have fixed on basis of available resources. Fixed on basis of available resources. Clearly indicates utilization of resources. Should have general agreement at various levels. General agreement between different stakeholders at various levels. Should involve local people, institutions and organizations. Local people, involve local people, relevant institutions, relevant organizations, etc. Should have definite plan of work. Definite plan of work. And should have evaluation of the plan. Evaluation of the plan and evaluation of plan and results both. And mostly we need to provide equitable distribution of resources. So these are the principles of extension program planning. Now what are the steps of extension program planning? So to make it interesting, let me describe you using a very interesting graph or whatever you say. If you divide it in two circles, here the first circle indicates program determination, program. Second circle indicates program implementation, how program is determined and how program is implemented. So the first step is collection of facts. We need to collect facts. Second step is analysis of situation, analysis of situation. Here we collection of facts, analysis of situation. The third step is identification of problem. We will identification of problems. The fourth step is, moving on, determination of objectives and goals. We need to determine our objectives and goals. Fifth step is developing plan of work and calendar of operations. Developing plan of work and calendar of operation. When we will do what? Calendar of operations. Moving on, the sixth step is follow through plan of work and calendar of operations. Follow. What follow? We need to follow plan of work and calendar of operations. Follow our plan. Seventh, we will do evaluation of our progress. And at the end, we will reconsideration and revision of program. Reconsideration and revision of programs as per our evaluation, as per the feedback. So these are the steps of extension program planning. Hope you all understand it. And if you make this type of graphs or charts in your answer sheet, it will certainly give you good marks, because examiner like sometimes these types of innovations and they find it beautiful, they find it good. So you must use these things sometimes. Now what is the process of evaluation of extension program? We will see the methods, types. Now what is the process of evaluation of extension programs? Here first we will do identify and describe the proposed program. Identify and describe proposed program. Secondly, not like this, let me make the arrow like this. Secondly, we'll identify the phase and program in type of evaluation study. Identify the phase and type in which we need our evaluation to be done. Assess the feasibility and implementing of evaluation. Assess feasibility and implementing of evaluation. So suppose that this evaluation is implemented, what changes will make. Identify key and consult key stakeholders. Identify and conduct key stakeholders at various levels, such as farmers, extension workers, government agencies involved, etc. Identify approaches to data collection. We need to collect data. For that we need to select data collection technique. And then identify population and select sample. We will identify a population and select the sample. And then we will collect, interpret and analyze the data. And then we will communicate findings to or the stakeholders involved. And lastly, what you will do, the last step is apply and use those findings. Apply and use findings of the evaluation program. So this is what the proper process of evaluation program. Hope you all understand. Keep making notes and keep evaluating your notes. It will help. I always say that more than every question, most of the questions will directly from the notes. You're going to make your notes or your Brahmastra. So that is all for today. For any queries, do comment. If you like it, please press the like button. Do share and subscribe. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.